Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the last prophet of Allah. He was born in Makkah in 571 AD. He belonged to the Quraysh tribe. His father Abdullah died before his birth. He was brought up by his uncle Abu Talib. He changed the society through his hard work and preaching. He was very just in his dealings. He taught people the difference between right and wrong. He was a perfect leader. His life is role model for everyone.